Good evening and welcome to NBA Tips One's first video blog. The reason I want to create this blog is just to show you one potential angle that we could use in our tips and you could perhaps use in your bets. If we have a look here at the 30 NBA teams' average margin through three quarters, as you can see here, you can see that in 7th place, Boston are on average 4.7 points up at the end of three quarters, which is a little bit surprising considering they are one of the weakest teams now in the NBA. If we then go across to the average points margin at the end of the game, as you can see here, Boston now are ranked 17th rather than rank 7th, so they've dropped 10 ranking places. And at the end of four quarters, they are now minus 0.9 points behind, so they're losing more games than they're winning. So what you've got there is you've got an average of 5.6 points being dropped in one quarter. So this gives us two angles really. First angle is that we could be looking to back other teams in the fourth quarter that play Boston. And the other angle is if you are lucky enough to stay up through the NBA, you could look to lay on the exchanges Boston after three quarters, assuming they are winning. You should get quite a short lay. So quite interesting angle here. I'd look to explore this more obviously in future, looking at their record at home and on the road. But generally speaking, this is certainly something that at NBA Tips One we will look to pursue. More of these video blogs will follow, as myself and Dave have certainly identified a few other angles when looking at quarter stats. Thank you.